Post-processing is used in video and film production for quality improvement image processing, and it's commonly used in video game development to add additional effects. Instead of rendering 3D objects directly to the display, the scene is first rendered to a buffer in the memory of the video card. Pixel shaders and optionally vertex shaders are then used to apply post-processing filters to the image buffer before displaying it on the screen. Some post-processing effects also require multiple passes, gamma inputs, vertex manipulation, and depth buffer access. Such effects include ambient occlusion, anti-aliasing, depth of field, motion blur, and so much more. Post-processing solves a lot of problems, but at the cost of slowing down the frame rate. Therefore, knowing where and when to use it is important. In the next video, we will dive into Unity and see how to get and set the post-processing package from the package manager in order to add effects.